Tech entrepreneur Mark Roden is appealing Kildare County Council's refusal of retention for unauthorised works on his €3 million property. Mr. Roden's company, Heytesbury Investments, purchased Straffan Lodge in 2017. The 5,000 square foot Georgian residence, set on 34 acres of land, is the former home of artist Francis Bacon and is considered a protected structure. Mr. Roden, who also owns an €11 million mansion on Aylesbury Road in Dublin, has carried out significant development on Straffan Lodge after he received planning permission to construct an outdoor pool, gym and sauna. However, Mr. Roden has become locked in a dispute with a neighbour after it was alleged that a series of other works were done without planning approval. John Curley and a company called Totana Trusteeships brought Section 160 proceedings under the Planning and Development Act against Mr. Roden, his wife Nicola Roden and Heytesbury. The company subsequently applied for retention. Kildare County Council refused retention because it found the works have negatively impacted the protected structure of Straffan Lodge and its attendant grounds. The decision has now been appealed to An Bord Pleanála.